How many of you are looking for a stable investment that just might help you or your family in the future? Inflation has been on the rise due to COVID-19 and the election of Joe Biden. Investing in gold is a good way to make sure that your money stays put. Investing in gold can protect you and your assets in the future if inflation or uncertain times are to arise. I've found multiple credible sources that will back me up with my points. In 1929, the stock market crashed, leaving many businessmen and families scrambling for ways to keep their houses, life savings, and even their own businesses. The stock market crash in 1929 has been regarded as one of the worst in history, and by most is the reason for the Great Depression. During the crash, Americans sold their houses, businesses, cars, and whatever they needed to recover from it. In the end, the Wall Street and the stock market lost over $14 billion worth of investments. In 1933, during the Great Depression, 15 million people were unemployed and 12,000 people lost their jobs a day. There have been 6 major crashes recorded in recent history where a company loses up to or over 10% of its value. Not to mention all the small losses that have resulted in millions of dollars wasted in the investments. During February of 2020, the stock market lost their value by as much as $6 trillion in a week. And with the recent election of Joe Biden and COVID-19, stocks have been something on everybody's radar, with some people pulling out, afraid that 2021 will be a crash year. More than 55% of Americans say they are invested in the stock market, which would equate to over 115,000 Americans, and $31 trillion worth invested in the stock market. Gold has always been a precious metal that has not depreciated at a serious rate as many as other items in today's world. Over the years alone, the ETFs, or exchange traded funds, have reacted approximately with $132 billion worth of gold investments and returns, according to the ETF Channel 2021 Gold Overview. The average stock market return is around 10%, but with the stock market how it is right now, it is not guaranteed that you will get any return. As of right now, the U.S. Federal Reserve has an inflation rate of over 2% a year, and it is predicted to possibly spike in 2021 by as much as 3 to 4%. Many families have lost thousands of dollars just because of the stock market this year, and inflation causes many items like cars to depreciate in as little as a year. If you're trying to save money for emergencies, solid equity like gold is the ticket. With the ease of technology we have today, investing is getting easier and easier for the average consumer. There are many websites that allow you to invest in the market of precious metals. And according to Chris Mueller in his 2020 article, How to Invest in Gold, some people prefer to invest heavily in gold to profit in the distant future, while others want to buy gold as a short term. One of the most notable investing websites right now is called Robinhood, and it has gained recent traction due to the Wall Street losing their investments to Reddit. The Barrick Gold is one of the most reliable leading gold companies, with their stocks costing $22.33 a share. Gold is recommended to keep a diversified investment portfolio, whether it's liquid or solid, and it will always go up in value instead of declining if and when the stocks do decline. Gold is still increasing on the market by margins as much as 1%, with a total of over 34% in 2020. In 2020, gold is breaking over 2,000 an ounce of gold. This is all according to Rupert Neate in his article, After COVID-19, Just How Will Prices Go in the Gold Rush. Although the stocks have the ability to decrease, gold will always have the value to it, whether it is a block of gold or a liquid investment in gold. The summary of the main points is: first, we discuss why solid investments like gold are a good choice. Second, we discuss the benefits that you could get by investing in gold. And third, we talk about how to get into the market of investing in precious metals. The Great Depression was a time Americans won't soon forget, but now we have the chance to invest, and we also have the time to invest. Gold has always been sought after throughout history, with people never reaping the benefits, but only for a small amount of money, you and your family can reap the benefits of smart investing. Thank you.